I'm checking on the other comments. Wait lang, ang dami niyong tanong ha. Ngayon talaga kayo nagpasukan. Wait. No, wait. Hanapin natin yun. Eto magandang question. This is one of the features ng Libre Academy na hindi matutumbasan ng ano. Sabi niya dito, hello po coaches, question po. Would you still be needing our resumes if in case we pass certification and require a portfolio? Passing your certification in Libre Academy is your portfolio. Doon sa ating talent platform or on the client's platform, before you can be matched to clients, we're going to ask you to complete your profile. Right? Yung profile na yon is that profile based doon sa certification na ginawa mo. Okay? So, hindi mo kailangan mag-upload ng resume. All you need to put in there are your yung qualifications mo for being an automation specialist for EAVA. Kung before, 10 years ago, ay ikaw ay naging salesman sa isang grocery store or supermarket, you don't have to put that. Again, na-prime na yung mga clients dyan na, okay, if you're looking for this specific role, eto, certified, verified na rin sila. So, no resume. You have your Libre Academy profile.